Hello, my friends, and welcome to Circle Time. Let's go ahead and get started with the Pledge of Allegiance. Let's stand, right hand over our heart, eyes on the flag, and we say together, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Excuse me, same hand goes to our side, and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed in school and life. I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we'll reach our dreams. Awesome. Now it is the month of April, and it is the 21st day of April. But let's see what day of the week it is. Are we ready to sing? How about if today when we sing our Days of the Week song, we just snap the whole time? Days of the week, snap, snap. Days of the week, snap, snap.
Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week.
Snap it. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week.
Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week.
Sing it.
There's Sunday and there's Monday.
Nice and loud.
There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday.
Days of the week.
Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week.
All right. And today, Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday. So it's Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. We have a star because today is our felt story. I can't wait to have you join me for a story time using a felt board. It'll be lots of fun. And then we have a star here because that is our Zoom meeting. We get to see our friends. We have a birthday cake down here. Whose birthday is that? Why, it is Mr. Judah's birthday. That's next week. All right, we predicted sunny and clouds for today, but that is not the case. It is rainy outside. But I say let's go ahead and keep that sun and clouds down there for tomorrow, and hopefully it'll come true. It is time for our alphabet. Let's say it together. Are you ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Awesome. Excuse me. Let's count to 20. Is everybody ready to count to 20? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. We're counting backwards from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Looking for a color. How about green? Can you find something that is green? Here it is. It is disgust. She is green. How about if we find a shape? Let's find a circle. Hey, the circle is green too. Awesome job, friends. Our nursery rhyme this week is Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives in Drury Lane? Yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives in Drury Lane. There is a movie, it's called Shrek, named Shrek. They have them up in Man. I'll have to see if I can find that video clip. That would be fun to watch sometime. Let's look at this change here. What is this one right here? This nice big one. It is a quarter. How about this one? Nickel. This one. Dime. And this one that has that brown color to it. Penny. Excellent. What number is this? 7. Here. 1. This one. 9. About this one. 4. 10. 6. 2. 8. And that one is 5. And our last one is, excuse me, 3. And it looks like a pumpkin. If we put a pumpkin there, that would look like a pumpkin. Our letter this week is the letter Y. And Y says y, like in yo-yo. And the color yellow. And this big old yak. All right, we're going to make the letter Y. Let's sing about where we start them. Oh, got to get some internet first.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters
At the top. Let me hear ya.
Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top.
Here we go.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top? No, it's the
Shake it in the
middle.
middle.
Is this the top? It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top?
Yes.
Reach up.
Way up.
Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top.
Going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Now count.
1,
2, 3, 4. Top.
top, bottom,
Shake
shake it
it.
in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top?
Let me hear Oz.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top.
Going
Is
down.
this the top?
Oh, it's the bottom.
Is this the top?
Oh, it's the middle.
Is this the top?
It's the top.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Move to the rhythm.
All right, we're making the letter Y today. So listening ears on, inside voices off, hands in lap. It's my turn. We'll grab a little slide in from under Mr. Matt's smiling face. We're going to grab a big slide down. Put it right next to it so it touches. And now I say I'll say it correctly. Little slide in, frog jump over, big slide down. One more time, my turn. Your listening ears are on, inside voices off. My turn. Little slide in, frog jump over, big slide down. Okay, let's do it together. Are you ready? Here we go. Fingers at the top. And we say, little slide in, frog jump over, big slide down. Excellent. What letter is that? The letter Y. What does Y say? Y, y, y. Let's try one more time. Fingers at the top. And we say, little slide in, frog jump over, big slide down. And we've made the letter Y. Why? Because it's wonderful. All right, my friends. I can't wait to see you later for our story and have our Zoom in a couple days. I'll see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.